9 warning signs your liver is crying for help, and most people completely ignore number 4. What if I told you that right now your liver could be failing, and you'd feel almost completely normal? What if the organ responsible for over 500 vital functions in your body was quietly shutting down while you went about your day eating, working, sleeping, completely unaware? Here's a statistic that should stop you cold. Liver disease affects more than 5 million adults in the United States alone. And according to the American Liver Foundation, the majority of liver conditions are diagnosed only after significant and often irreversible damage has already occurred. Because your liver, unlike your heart or your lungs, does not send pain signals until things have gone very, very wrong. But here's the part that changes everything. Your liver does send signals. It screams them, actually, through your skin, your eyes, your digestion, your sleep, your mood, and even your breath. The problem is nobody taught you how to read them. Until today, your liver is roughly the size of a football tucked under your right rib cage, performing miracles every second of your life, filtering toxins from your blood, producing bile to digest fat, storing energy, synthesizing proteins, regulating hormones, and protecting you from infection. Lose it and nothing else in your body works. Nothing. And what makes liver disease so devastatingly dangerous is something researchers at the Mayo Clinic have documented extensively. By the time a patient feels genuinely unwell, up to 75% of liver tissue may already be damaged, 3/4 gone. But here's the hope in all of this. A landmark 2023 study found that patients who identified 3 or more of these early warning signs and pursued evaluation within 90 days had dramatically better outcomes, including full reversal of early-stage liver disease in many cases. Today we are walking through 9 signs your liver is desperately trying to get your attention. Some of them will genuinely surprise you. At least 2 of them are things you've probably already noticed and dismissed. Disclaimer: everything in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Please consult a licensed healthcare professional for any health concerns. All sources are linked in the description below. If this content could help someone you care about, smash that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss critical health information. Let's get into it. Sign 1: yellowing of the skin and eyes, jaundice. Let's start with the sign most people have heard of but dangerously misunderstand. Jaundice, the yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes, is caused by a buildup of bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced when your body breaks down old red blood cells. Under normal circumstances, your liver captures bilirubin, processes it, and sends it out of your body through bile and stool. But when the liver is compromised, bilirubin accumulates in the bloodstream and begins depositing in body tissues, including the skin and the thin membranes covering your eyes. Here is what most people don't know: jaundice doesn't always look dramatically yellow. In its earliest stages, it may appear as a subtle golden tint to the skin, easy to miss in dim lighting or on certain skin tones. The most reliable early indicator is the whites of the eyes. Stand in natural daylight and look carefully. Any yellowish discoloration there is a clinical signal that demands same weak medical evaluation. Jaundice is never normal. It is never a coincidence. And it never resolves on its own without addressing the underlying cause. Sign 2: chronic itching with no rash. Imagine an itch that lives deep beneath your skin. An itch that no scratching can reach, that no cream can calm, that appears randomly, sometimes worse at night, and leaves no visible mark on your skin whatsoever. This is called cholestatic pruritus, and it is one of the most diagnostically significant and most overlooked symptoms of liver disease in clinical medicine. Here is what's happening inside your body. When your liver is damaged and bile flow becomes obstructed, bile salts accumulate in the bloodstream. These bile salts deposit in skin tissue and stimulate nerve fibers directly, creating that unbearable deep tissue itch. No rash appears because this is not an allergic or skin surface reaction. The problem is entirely internal. Patients describe it as crawling, burning, or a sensation like insects moving just beneath the surface. It tends to be worse on the palms of the hands and soles of the feet and intensifies at night when the body is warm. Dermatologists see this regularly, patients spending months cycling through allergy medications and skin creams for an itch that has nothing to do with their skin and everything to do with their liver. If you have chronic, unexplained itching with no visible rash, ask your doctor specifically about liver function tests. Sign 3: dark urine and pale or clay-colored stools. 2 symptoms. 1 powerful message: healthy urine is pale yellow, healthy stool is brown. These colors are not accidents. They are the direct result of your liver processing bilirubin correctly and delivering bile pigments to your digestive system. When liver disease disrupts this process, both change dramatically and simultaneously. Dark urine, the color of strong tea or cola, appears because excess bilirubin, which your liver can no longer process, is being excreted through your kidneys instead. Meanwhile, your stool turns pale gray or clay-colored because bile, which gives stool its brown color, is no longer reaching your intestines in adequate amounts. This combination is one of the most medically significant pairings in all of liver disease diagnosis. When a patient presents with both dark urine and pale stool together, it tells physicians that there is likely obstruction in the bile duct system, something that requires urgent investigation. Check both. not just once. Consistently over several days. Your bathroom habits are giving you information that your body worked incredibly hard to communicate. Sign 4, spider veins and redness on the palms. This is the sign that most people ignore. This is the one that could change everything for you today. Take a look at the palms of your hands. Are they redder than usual, particularly around the edges, the base of the thumb, and the base of the little finger? This is called palmar erythema, and it occurs because a struggling liver loses its ability to properly metabolize estrogen. Excess estrogen circulating in the bloodstream causes the small blood vessels in the palms to dilate persistently, creating that characteristic redness. Now look at your chest, shoulders, and upper arms. Do you see small, reddish spider-like formations, a central red dot with tiny blood vessels radiating outward like spider legs? These are called spider angiomas or spider nevi. They appear for the same reason: excess circulating estrogen causing abnormal surface blood vessel dilation. Having one spider angioma occasionally can be normal. Having 5 or more, or noticing them multiplying over weeks and months, is a clinical indicator strongly associated with liver disease. In one large-scale study, the combination of palmar erythema and multiple spider angiomas correctly predicted significant liver disease in over 80% of cases when confirmed with blood work. Look at your hands right now. Really look. Sign 5, abdominal swelling, ascites. This sign is unmistakable once it appears, and yet people wait an average of 3 months before seeking help after noticing it. Ascites is the accumulation of fluid inside the abdominal cavity. When liver disease progresses to the point that the liver can no longer produce adequate levels of albumin, the protein that keeps fluid inside your blood vessels, fluid leaks out into the space surrounding your organs. The abdomen swells, visibly, noticeably, sometimes dramatically. In early ascites, you might notice your waist expanding unexpectedly. Clothes that fit last month no longer button. Your abdomen feels tight and heavy, even first thing in the morning before eating. You might notice a sensation of fullness or pressure that makes it uncomfortable to eat large meals. As ascites worsens, the abdomen can become severely distended, creating pressure on the diaphragm that causes breathlessness, pressure on the stomach that makes eating almost impossible, and an aching, dragging discomfort that becomes constant. Ascites does not develop overnight. It is the result of liver disease progressing unchecked over a long period of time. If you or someone you love has unexplained abdominal swelling, this is an emergency level sign that requires immediate evaluation. Sign 6, unusual bruising and prolonged bleeding. Have you noticed bruises appearing on your body that you have no memory of causing? Are small cuts taking far longer to stop bleeding than they used to? Your liver is the manufacturing center for the majority of your body's clotting factors, the proteins that allow your blood to coagulate and wounds to seal. When liver function declines, clotting factor production drops. Your blood loses its ability to clot efficiently, and the result is visible. Bruises forming from the lightest contact, cuts bleeding for minutes when they should stop in seconds, and spontaneous bruising that appears for no apparent reason at all. What makes this particularly dangerous is that internal bleeding you cannot see, becomes a serious risk. The veins in the esophagus, called varices, can become dangerously enlarged in advanced liver disease. And without adequate clotting factors, a rupture there can be rapidly life-threatening. Don't dismiss unexplained bruising as clumsiness or aging. If it's new, if it's worsening, if it's accompanied by any other signs from this list, take it seriously. Sign 7, chronic nausea, vomiting, and lost appetite. Your liver is intimately involved in digestion, producing bile that breaks down fat, processing the nutrients absorbed from your intestines, and clearing metabolic waste from your bloodstream. When it's struggling, your entire digestive experience changes. A persistent, low-grade nausea, not the dramatic nausea of food poisoning, but a constant, queasy undercurrent that never fully goes away, is one of the most frequently reported early liver symptoms. It worsens after fatty meals because the liver is unable to produce sufficient bile to handle fat digestion. Appetite drops. Foods that once appealed suddenly seem repulsive, particularly high-protein foods like meat. Unexplained weight loss follows, not because of dieting, but because eating has simply become unpleasant. Some patients describe feeling vaguely full and uncomfortable for hours after even a small meal. The danger here is the cycle it creates. Poor appetite leads to nutritional deficiency, which further impairs liver regeneration capacity, which accelerates the disease. Breaking this cycle early with medical intervention is critical. Sign 8, mental confusion, memory loss, and personality changes. This sign is the most frightening and the most important for families and loved ones to recognize. When liver function deteriorates severely, the organ loses its ability to filter ammonia, a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism, from the bloodstream. Ammonia and other neurotoxins accumulate in the blood, cross into the brain, and cause a condition called hepatic encephalopathy. In its early stages, this looks nothing like what you'd expect. It's subtle. A person might seem slightly confused, forgetful, or slower to respond in conversation. They might have trouble concentrating, lose track of dates, or seem emotionally flat. Their handwriting may change. Their sleep cycle may flip, wide awake at night, unable to stay awake during the day. Families often describe watching a loved one become not quite themselves for months before any formal diagnosis. Subtle personality shifts, unusual irritability. Moments of confusion that pass quickly enough to be dismissed. As it progresses, hepatic encephalopathy can cause profound disorientation, tremors of the hands, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness. If someone you love is showing cognitive or personality changes alongside any other liver signs from this list, please advocate loudly and persistently for a full liver function panel. This is too important to wait and see. Sign 9. Chronic fatigue that feels nothing like tiredness. We saved this one for last because it is perhaps the most universal and the most universally dismissed. Liver-related fatigue is not about being sleepy. It is a profound bone-deep exhaustion that settles into your entire body and refuses to shift. Patients describe it as feeling heavy-laden, like moving through resistance. A full night of sleep changes nothing. A weekend of rest changes nothing. This occurs because a compromised liver fails to adequately store and release glycogen, the body's primary fuel reserve. Blood sugar regulation becomes erratic. Energy becomes unreliable. And the accumulation of metabolic waste products in the blood creates a systemic toxic burden that your body registers as unrelenting exhaustion. There is also a psychological dimension. The brain, deprived of optimal liver support, shifts into a low-energy protective state. Motivation drops, mood darkens. What begins as physical fatigue starts to look and feel like depression, and in many cases, patients are treated for depression for months before anyone thinks to check their liver. If your fatigue is disproportionate to your lifestyle, unexplained by any other diagnosis, and accompanied by even 1 or 2 other signs from this list, your liver deserves to be part of the conversation. 9 signs. Yellowing of the skin and eyes. Unexplained deep itching. Dark urine and pale stool, spider veins and red, abdominal swelling, easy bruising and slow bleeding, nausea and appetite loss, cognitive changes, and that profound, immovable fatigue. Your liver has been trying to reach you. These are its messages. The extraordinary truth about liver disease is that caught early, the liver, the only organ in your body capable of regenerating itself, can recover, fully recover. But that window is not unlimited, and it does not stay open forever. A liver function blood test, that is all it takes to know where you stand. Make the call this week. If this video gave you something valuable, a word, a sign, a reason to act, please share it right now. Someone in your life may need this more than either of you realizes. Subscribe for more health content that respects your intelligence and gives you the information you actually deserve to have. The next video is on the screen right now. We'll see you there.